Hi teachers, I'm going to show you how to set up a substitute for your class in Canvas. If you are absent for any amount of time, you're going to need to do this because that substitute teacher has to have access to your Zoom meetings. They also may need access to the lesson plans that your students will be doing for the day. So in order to do that, we'll go ahead and start over here on the left-hand side with our people navigation link. You'll notice that I have that hid for my students. So I'll go ahead and click on people, and you'll notice that I'm the only person in the class right now. We have set up a special role for substitute teachers, which gives them just the ability to view the course content. It gives them the ability to view the people in the course, but they cannot make any changes to it. They can, however, host the Zoom meetings if they have a licensed Zoom account and you have set them up as an alternative host. And we've shown you how to do that in another video. So right here, I'm just going to go and I'm going to add people. And I also need to make sure that that person has an account in Canvas. If they do not, you will not be able to add them here. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and add Mr. Ibach as my substitute teacher, ccsk12.com. And you'll notice here when I click on this, I actually have the ability to add him in that role. It does not matter what section that you add them in. Remember that your courses are cross-listed, so you can add them pretty much in any section for the course, and they should be able to access that. We'll go ahead and click on Next. When we do that, if you see this green box right here, that means that the teacher has a Canvas account. If they do not, once again, one of the instructions that you have when it comes time to set up your substitutes is to make sure that the technology department has been notified so that we can set them up with a Zoom account, or correction, with a Canvas account. So we're going to go right here. We're just going to click Add Users. And now you will notice that Mr. Ibach is actually pending to be a substitute teacher. He's going to have to log in to Canvas first and accept that invitation in order to be able to act in that role. So that's how you set up a substitute in your class. Once you are finished, and especially if it's a short-term substitute, you can remove them from the class just by going to that people link right here on the left and clicking on the three-dot menu here. And then you can deactivate, or you can actually remove that user from your course, and they won't be allowed to access it until you give them access again. So that's how you set up that substitute, both getting the substitute into the class as well as removing them. Thank you very much for watching.